Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is July 15th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be July 16th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, guys, let's go ahead and hop into it. So S&P 500 had some good opportunities to the upside and also to the downside, but we've been moving more towards our support levels for the day. We've been moving down a little bit more. We came as low as right around these 33 to 34s. And we pop right back up, seem to try to touch this resistance somewhere around these 55 to 56s. Once we get up to that level, that's probably where I'm looking to see if we can get some resistance and maybe pull a little bit deeper. We'll see, may even go into a little bit of a choppiness, but right now I'm trying to see if we can get back up into this level of 56.25 and then maybe move down a little bit further. Now we get back above those 56s, we may see the market try to retest those 61 to 62s, then above that into 66. And above that it's going to be 43.8125. Now I do want to see if I'm going to take a support. Either we are going to look for the support to happen right here at these 44 to 45s. Market comes back into this level, maybe get a nice couple bounces, fail to go through, get a nice move to the upside, or we wait patiently for the market to come over here right around these 43, 34, 25s as a level. We did have a little bit of a micro level right around these 40s. Say that's like, yeah, 39 to 40, but missed that opportunity. Nice little double bottom bounce there. So right now it's either we get a little bit of a pullback into these 44 to 45s and wait for that support, or we let the market come a little bit deeper back down into this area of 34.25 if we want that long opportunity. Again, the shorts for me is going to come right around 56.25. Then above that minor level for me, it's actually a major level, but major level for me is going to be at 61 to about 62 first, and then 66 up above as a level of resistance. Let's go ahead and move over into a smaller chart here on S&P for you guys. So getting a little bit closer, zooming in a little bit for you guys here, you can see that we do have the market trying to pull up into these 43, 56, 25s. So we'll see if we get there and we fail to get through. If we do fail to get through, we might even pop up a little bit, but if we come back underneath and keep rejecting, that's our opportunity to try to pull back down into our support level of about 44 to 45 and then see what we get from there. If we just break right through 56, we're going to head up to our next level right around those 62s and then 66. Below these 34s, next level support 24.25, and below that 43.1850 as my next level under that. Let's go ahead and pull over a gold chart for you guys. Take a look at some gold levels here. We do have gold trying to pull down from resistance right around these 1831s. We did pop a little bit above that, but came right back down. Want to see if the market comes into these 24.7s or holds these 26.4s as an opportunity to try to retest the upside from there. So we'll see what we kind of get from this level. If we fall underneath 24.7, look for the market to try to come down a little bit deeper. We've been currently stalling right here, so I'm going to just kind of plot that level for you guys. Currently stalling right there at around those 20s, 1820s. So if you're going to be looking for a short and you get down into that area, make sure you take some profit off of that level, as we can't really break it so far. So underneath those 20s, 1818 and then 1815 as the next level of support underneath. So we'll see what happens. If the market gets all the way back up to these 31 to 32s, we can look for resistance as long as it doesn't hold support on top of that actual level. So we'll see what takes place. Let's move over to a smaller chart here on gold for you guys. Take a look at what we see. So right now you see the market did touch right off this level, came right back down, had another bounce. This could potentially be a nice decent opportunity for the market to go right back up. So we'll see if we can get this market to bounce and continue back to the upside from here, or if we come a little bit deeper into those 24s or below that into those 20s as the opportunity to try to get the bounce to the upside. But if we do get the bounce and we come into this resistance, we want to see it hold this level of 31 and then make its way back down. If we want that support on top for a continuation, we got to hold on top of this level for a continuation or long opportunity. So Couple of trade opportunities we may have, but we'll be patient as the market is falling a little bit. So we'll patiently wait out for this to happen. Let's move over to crude oil for you guys. Take a look at what's going on with crude oil. So for crude oil, you can see we had some nice downward movement. Do have a main level of support, 71.20. So we didn't get all the way down to that area. See where we kind of moved down to. Plot this line just a little bit closer. 71.30 is where we found that support. So looking to see if the market continues from this resistance, 71.73, to try to retest this low and maybe make a new low from there. If we retest it and hold support, look for that thing to pop right back up. That's going to be a nice double bottom opportunity for the market to pull back to the upside right around 72.27 as the next level of resistance. Above that, we're going to be looking out for those 73.05s and 73.32 as a level on top of that area. If you want the continuation or short, either you're going to try this micro area right here for a continued short, 71.73, to try that downside again, or you're going to wait for the market to pull up a little bit deeper and then try to see if the market can move from there. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on crude oil. Give you guys a little bit of a closer view of what's going on. Got a couple touches here, 1, 2, 3 touches, couldn't break it, may actually end up moving right back down into this support here, and then seeing if we can't break that, that's when you'll see the market try to use this area to push right back up as a nice double bottom move to extend to the upside. So we'll see what takes place there. 72.27 next level up, and then 73.05 as the next level of resistance above that. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. If you guys do like these videos, again, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, again, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. If you are struggling to find consistency in trading, feel free to join us here at Pure Structured Trading. We would love to have you on board as a member, take some coaching sessions, some coaching programs with us, help yourself learn to become successful and consistent in trading. Other than that, guys, if you guys continue to trade tonight, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care.